Okay, so we're doing the benzocaine synthesis, and the first step is adding 1.2 grams of aminobenzoic acid to our round bottom flask.
Okay.
The next step is adding 15 milliliters of absolute ethanol. Now, using an egg-shaped stir bar, which is already in the round bottom flask, we are going to heat the mixture until salt is dissolved. So we are going to turn it on. And we're probably going to start heating it at 180. No, I don't remember. What did we do?
I have no idea.
We're going to start it at 180. And we're also going to set the stir speed at
Higher, like 100.
about 100. After about 3 minutes, it was dissolved, and it ended up going to about a temperature of 130, and we raised the mixing to about 300 RPM. So now we're going to cool the solution in an ice bath. So right now we're taking it off, and we're going to put it in our ice bath right here. So now that the solution is cooled to about room temperature, we're adding 2.5 milliliters of concentrated sulfuric acid. And we're doing this dropwise so that precipitate will form.
Okay, well, I guess I'll just pour it in because it's way too thick.
So we're just going to pour it in slowly.
It's too thick. Okay.
Okay, so now we're going to reattach the round bottom flask to the condenser. Putting the cap on, and there's a cap to hold the goes on the, nope, right there. Oh,
I know,
sorry.
but it goes well.
Sorry, I didn't realize there's two. Okay, so now that it's reattached, we're going to turn on the water, and we're going to allow this to reflux for 60 to 75 minutes. An important note is that the ring of condensation should lie somewhere in the middle of the condenser. If the heat is too low, the precipitate will not dissolve, and if the heat is too high, the loss of solvent will cause overheating and a significant decrease in yield. Now we are going to detach the condenser from the reaction vessel, and we're going to allow it to cool to room temperature. Now that it's cooled to room temperature, we are going to put it into a 500 milliliter flask using we're going to pour it right in there.
Okay.
And then we're going to put in 30 milliliters of DI water. And then we're going to add saturated sodium bicarbonate until
effervescence ceases.
Yeah, that. Okay.
Here's our effervescence. What is it? Effervescence? Right?
Ask him.
What is it?
Effervescence.
Alright,
Effervescence.
benzocaine will precipitate. Okay, then we're going to check pH with red litmus until solution is reached. Adding more sodium bicarbonate as necessary.
Oh, thanks. Hold on, I think I'm gonna do it like that.
Okay, using 3 milliliter proportions of ice cold water, collect products using vacuum filtration.
Should it not sound like that, or is that good?
It's a little bit.
So if you have this problem, oftentimes it'll be caused by a leak. So you can just simply take this out and put it in a different Erlenmeyer flask in here and re-pour it through. Okay, now that we have the product, we are going to put it in a weigh belt and weigh it. And then we're going to put it in the oven, right, until next class period, and that way it's dry and we can find the mass of our product.